and welcome to the bits. So this is a very uncut version of the vlog. It is Wednesday afternoon. I've been pretty busy working here in the studio, so I was just going to take you through some stuff I'm doing here in the studio while I'm doing it. And pretty much it's going to be a no edit vlog. I just want to get something posted for you because I don't know why, but I'm feeling guilty because I should get something up because that's just part of my schedule. So if you're new to the vlog, welcome. I hope you subscribe. I hope this doesn't scare you away. Maybe this is what you want to see. But I would like to hear from you guys, so make sure you are commenting below, and I'll make sure I get back to you. But in the meantime, I am going to finish what I started and didn't get finished. So if you've watched the vlogs in the past, my daughter and I are getting bees started, and we just recently finished our putting together our beehives, and we took them to get them dipped. And you can look up about dipping beehives. It's just basically where you dip them and boil them in wax for a certain amount of time, and then it makes them waterproof for about 20 years. So it's a pretty steadfast and utilized technology. My zipper keeps breaking on my jacket. That's crazy. Sorry, a little sidetrack there. But anyway, point being is, well, I'm going to flip you around here so that you can see what I'm talking about while I'm talking about it. So let me just pause here. Okay, so got you flipped around here, and basically, I know this is my real fancy setup. I set it up on my trash can so I can get the right height, but this is one of the mediums from my daughter's beehive, and you can see where we've wood burned the design. It's already been dipped in the wax, so it's protected, but I did not get this one very last side finished, so that's what I have to work on. So basically what I'm going to do is let you kind of follow along with me here while I get this side burnt in. So excuse me while I get to set up here into my clamp. I'm going to get you turned around so that you can see what I'm doing. Whoa. Let's see. I suppose that's something about right. At least you can see it, right? Yeah? Okay. So there's a little bit of a shadow, but I'm not too worried about that. Alright, so I've got my wood burner all set up here. You can see it's getting pretty hot. So what I'm going to do is just wood burn this design in here. Okay, guys. Right, that's all done. Looks cool. Julio Iglesias. Just gonna move you over here. Because I'm gonna move you here just a minute. Because I'm gonna switch over to the other side here. I wanna make sure you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, you can see. Alright. Alright, one more little critter to go, so I gotta switch my tip to a different tip here. Whoa. My bad. It just slipped right off there. Okay, and this here is my other tip. I don't know why you can see that. It doesn't really want to focus that well. That's my other tip. It's just a round tip. It just allows you to kind of draw a little bit smoother lines rather than a V groove. And again, this is going pretty smoothly, but you have to remember that what I'm burning on is a very, very dry piece of wood. It's wax coated, so. Very kind of laid back flower. I don't want even petals. I don't want straight, perfect lines. Just want something rough cut, and I think I got it. That wax redistributed in those grooves, and that should conclude that part. Now I just need to finish this right here. I know it's not real well centered, but it's just right on the border. I have to highlight the border. These swirls here. Okay, I am extremely happy with those results. Unplug this so that bad boy will cool off, and let me pick you up here so there's a little better view of what I just completed. So this is wax. You can see where the resin and the wax was starting to rise up. It's kind of tacky feeling, but that is a completely completed box. That's it. Now I just got to take all my, sitting by my heat here, I got to take all my frames and put them out in my hives. So maybe I'll take you guys out there and show you here in a moment what all my hives look like. So, well, that's it for the wood burning portion of today. I do have, you can see I have gourd orders, birdhouses that I'm going to be working on. So they're lined up in production. I've already cut, sanded, and prepped the gourd surface. Now I just need to decorate them. So I'm just going to pause you here. I think I'm going to gather everything up, take out everything that needs to go out to the hives, and I'll show you the hives, what they look like. So I'll catch you back in just a second. Okay, so we're outside, and Scotty came home, so he's helping me carry all this stuff out. Scotty, you're a good man. And we're just loading the beehives up. Kira's going nuts over there. Like always. But there is Samantha's beehive. That's hers. So I'll show you all the way around it. And this is mine. Yeah, it should be the rest of them that go in this one here.
It's so weird how it's not going to be like teared in half.
Ooh, did you do that?
I saw it at the bottom and I was like, oh frick.
Okay, and then take this here. Here, you want to hold the camera for me?
Sure.
It's for the super.
Is the camera facing this way towards me?
No, it's facing out.
Oh. Okay. I thought it was facing towards me. I was like, oh.
Show them what I'm doing. You're just showing them my face. They don't want to see me. They want to see what I'm doing. There you go. This is called a feeder box. Feed them out of. And then this is the lid. Actually, this goes down. Sorry, my bad. This goes here. And this goes here. And this. That's it. That's it. That's all there is to it. And that is my bees box. Bees. And this is not where we're permanently going to keep them. We've got another spot we're going to put them in, but for now, this just gets them out of my house and out of my hair. And gets them out and, you know, gets them in the wild, I guess, or get some wild smell on them. But I think they turned out really good. I'm really happy with them. So, there you go. That's all I got for you today, guys. We'll catch you again on Friday. I'll have a video up for you Friday. I have no idea what I'm going to have on it. Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow I will be live streaming on Twitch. I'm playing Fallout 4, so if you want to watch me play video games, you can come over and check me out there. It's twitch.tv/ladybugger if you want to come over and watch me. Otherwise, that's all I got for you. So, until next time, have a good week, have a good Wednesday. On behalf of me, my world, my family, and my life, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.